Today, I'll show you how to connect a custom domain to your Wix website. Start by going to the Wix website and log into your account. Once you are in your dashboard, look on the left side and click on Settings. In the Settings menu, scroll down until you see Domains and click on it. Here, you will see a section where you can type your domain name. If you already own a domain, type it in the box. Wix will check it and tell you that this domain is already taken. It will ask, "Is this your domain?" Click Yes, I own this domain. Next, Wix will show a message saying that you need to upgrade to a premium plan. Wix does not allow you to connect a custom domain without subscribing to one of their premium plans. You can also look at the other domain options below. If you click on those, Wix will offer you to buy a premium plan that comes with a free domain. So, whether you are connecting an existing domain or getting a new one, you will need a premium plan. After you subscribe to a premium plan, go back to the domain section. Add your domain name again. Wix will give you the DNS settings that you need to update. These can be CNAME records or a records. Now go to your domain provider's website and open the DNS management section. Copy the records Wix gave you and paste them into the matching fields there. Save your changes. Once the records are updated, your domain will connect to your Wix website. Thanks for watching.